Hey Charmers, welcome back to CharmIQ tutorials. In this video, we'll explore reference material, your secret weapon for supercharging your charms. Ever had an AI like ChatGPT give you a frustratingly generic response? It's a common problem. AIs often lack the specific context they need to truly understand your request. Charms are no different. Without context, they can only give you generalized answers. Similarly, here in CharmIQ, let's see what happens when we ask our all-purpose charm about CharmIQ's key features without giving it any background information. Our charm gave us a generic answer, and it has nothing to do with CharmIQ. Time to give our charm some context. Reference materials are like training manuals providing the knowledge your charms need to excel. Importantly, reference materials can be in many forms: PDFs, PowerPoints, audio, videos, images, Word documents, and more. You can add them in two ways, either by dragging and dropping files directly into the reference material panel, or by clicking the plus button to select from your CharmIQ files. To upload your own files to the CharmIQ platform, go to the Files section on the left panel and upload your files. The Files section is a central repository for all your content. Anything can be a reference material, even other CharmIQ workspaces. This means you can chain knowledge and context from various workspaces. We'll use the CharmIQ overview document as our training manual. Now our charm is equipped with all the details about CharmIQ. Let's ask the same question again. Notice I've placed the cursor before the previous answer. This means the charm won't read its previous response, keeping the context focused on the question and reference material. This highlights CharmIQ's non-linear workflow, allowing you to work at any point in the document for precise, context-aware results. Voila! With the reference material, our charm now understands CharmIQ and provides a detailed, context-aware answer. Remember, the more relevant the reference material, the more powerful your charms become. Experiment and find the best training manuals for your needs to unlock the endless possibilities of CharmIQ. See you in the next video!